Good night everyone. This is the second video of the Tzukan. The Tzukan is one of the legends between the Yucatec Maya people of Belize, which is described as a spirit snake that guards the water and is also known as el dueño del agua, Lord of the water. So the origins of the Tzukan, according to the legend, there was the first drop in the Mayab, the land of the Mayas, and they gave the mission to Yucatec, the Lord of Rain, to collect water. So Yucatec got on the top of a winged beast and went through the Mayab seeking for water. He saw that the lakes, the rivers, the swamps, the cenotes were all dry. So he decided to take a rest, and as he sat on a log, he realized that the log started to move. It was not a log, it was a huge snake, and this snake in one bite devoured Yucatec, winged beast. So Yucatec got angry and he took his whip and lashed the snake, and he got to ride the snake, and a mane started to grow. This snake, known as the Tzukan, asked, "And who are you to whip me?" Yucatec said, "I am Yucatec, the Lord of Rain, and now I am also your Lord, and you will help me in this mission of collecting water." So Tzukan started to shake in a way of trying to get rid of Yucatec, but as more he tried, his mane got longer and he started to grow wings and he started to fly. They got out of that cave. As they were flying to the ocean, Yucatec started to collect in millions of vessels the water and put it on the back of the Tzukan. The Tzukan was amazing, the beautiful sea. It was the first time that he saw it and he wanted to stay. He told Yucatec, "This is so beautiful, I want to stay here because there is a lot of space." And Yucatec told him, "You will when you get old, but now you have a mission." So the Tzukan asked, "What mission?" Yucatec answered, "Your mission is to make sure that the water will always be there. The rivers, the swamps will always have water. That is your mission. Now you are the guardian of the water." So as they were getting back, Tzukan knocked off Yucatec and he tried to escape. Yucatec, angry, threw a thunder, and this thunder destroyed the body of the Tzukan in millions of drops of water that fell into the ground and filling the rivers, the cenotes, and the swamps. Slowly, at the bottom of a grotto, they started to get together, forming the body of the Tzukan again. And the Tzukan tried to escape again, and as he did, Yucatec threw a wind that destroyed his body again. And his body got destroyed into millions of drops again. So he was condemned in a cycle of death and reincarnation. So this is the story of the Tzukan. If we analyze this legend, we realize that there is a lot of symbolism in this legend. The story of Tzukan flying is the water evaporating to the sky. Yucatec throwing the thunder, the wind, give us a sign that rain is coming or a storm. These elements destroying the body of Tzukan and transforming it into millions of drops of water and falling to the ground represents the rain. This rain will feed the soil, the forest, the animals, and they will get to the cenotes, to the swamps, to the rivers. They will be collected there where the body of the Tzukan will reincarnate. So it's a process that will happen over and over. So the body of Tzukan is condemned in a process of death and reincarnation because this process will happen over and over. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this legend of the Tzukan. And please watch the first video also, Hatch Yum Botek.